What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have that song of Dominic Fike from his new album Come Here, and this one is actually the outro riff. I showed you the whole song, how to play, the link is given down in the description below, but I actually didn't hear the full song, so I missed that outro line, that small outro line. So some of you actually requested me, so I just wanted to make another lesson for this one, and that's pretty basically very easy, and it's actually all in the same thing. After all, it's super easy to play on guitar. So I'm just gonna show you this one. So let's get started. No cable, you know everything. This was the first video, so no cable, start tuning. As you can see in the tab, we start off playing G string, 11th fret, then 12th fret on the high E string, and 10th fret on the high E string, then 10th fret on the B string. So we got rest, and we actually play this chord. This is the B minor power chord, which is 2nd fret on the A string, 4th fret on the D string, and make sure that you get all other string mated and you do 3 downstroke. 4 down, sorry. So that's basically very easy. You got the B minor, B5 chord, B5 bar chord, B5 power chord, I'm sorry. So you play that 4 downstroke, and after playing that, you move on to this part, which I actually mainly missed showing you how to play this. So what I'm doing is, I'm on the high E string, I'm doing a bend, which this bend is on the 16th fret. So if you are not able to bend, you just slide from 16 to 7. But what I'm doing is, I'm bending it a half step, which is the 17th fret. So I got a bend, but it's actually a little bit more than the, what the heck, I'm sorry, something happened maybe, never mind. So this bend is not a half step, it's just a little bit more than the half step. So you're going like this a bit more, but don't try a lot if you see that your guitar action is not that good, otherwise your string will just come out. So you come down, back, you play 15th fret, 14th fret, 12th fret, 14th fret, and then 12th fret on the B string. You rest there, go back, then you start again with that thing. Sorry. After playing that, you move on to the E5 power chord, which is open on the E string, A string 2nd fret, and you do 4 downstroke, and you end the song over there. So we got a lot of mistakes I made. Never mind, that's it, and I'll see you guys back in the very next video. I'll make sure to cover the whole what the heck I'm saying. I'll make sure to check the playlist, because I've covered the whole song. I mean the whole album, pretty much all the songs. I mean the recent ones which came out on this Friday, not that which came out a long time back. But if you want, just ping me in the comment down below, and I'll just make a lesson for you guys. So I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.